The ASX opened about 45 minutes ago. What's been the impact?
Impact has been negative. So the ASX 200 is down about 1.6% in early trade. We've fallen because Wall Street slipped overnight between 1 and 1.5%, depending on the exchange over there. I think two reasons Wall Street fell. One was there's waiting for an infrastructure bill to be passed through Congress, and two, it was simply the end of the third quarter. And on the screen here, you can see this is a chart showing the ASX 200's performance over the third quarter. Did really well. In the middle there is August. That's profit reporting season. Then it started to fall back, basically due to global economic worries about Delta and the falling iron ore price. And we finished the third quarter pretty much just where we started back on the 1st of July. Looking at some top performers here in the third quarter for the ASX, Wisetech Global tech company had a great profit result. Whitehaven coal, it's doing really well because of record high coal prices. Flight Centre's up due to hope travel will resume shortly. And then AusNet and Sydney Airport both rose strongly due to takeover bids. And then on the next page, we've got the bottom 5 companies on the ASX 200. Bottom performers were Appen and Magellan Financial. They both had some tough profit results in August. Fortescue Metals has been falling due to the iron ore price slipping. And Polynovo and Codan both dropped due to executive changes. So that's the end of the third quarter for us. We're now on officially the first day of the fourth quarter, and we've started pretty negatively, down almost 2% in early trade.
All right, let's talk about these Chinese developers, Evergrande. They did end up missing that international loan repayment, but they've paid back some Chinese creditors?
Yes, so they've missed their international loan repayment, which was due on Wednesday, roughly $50 million US. But Evergrande have made a recent announcement yesterday saying they've paid off some of their local Chinese investors. So Evergrande owe about $305 billion in debt. And of that debt, just $20 billion of it is from offshore investors. The rest is from onshore investors. So we've seen some protests over the last couple of weeks from Chinese people upset with Evergrande at their offices. So I think they're trying to appease the local investors and prevent civil unrest. But for Evergrande, the next loan payments are due on the 12th of October, and they're about $150 million US. So not long until the next payment's due.
150 million, just the loan repayment.